pH, spirituality, and frequency. Your body is not just physical, it's a living field of energy, vibration, and light. Every cell, every thought, and every breath carries a frequency. One way this shows up in your daily life is through your body's pH balance. When the body leans too acidic, energy can feel heavy, stagnant, and weighed down. This imbalance not only affects your physical health, it lowers your vibration, making it harder to feel aligned and clear. But when we nourish ourselves with living foods, pure water, and practices that calm the mind, we create a more alkaline environment. One where energy flows with ease. A balanced pH supports harmony. And when the body is in harmony, your spirit feels lighter, your intuition deepens, and your connection to your higher self becomes more open. You begin to sense life differently, more clarity, more peace, more alignment with the frequency of love. Balancing your body's pH is more than health, it's a spiritual practice. Because when your body vibrates in balance, your soul rises in frequency. And when your frequency rises, so does your consciousness.